Hi, so welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to hide and unhide columns or rows in Microsoft Excel. We're going to particularly hide column E and F. So let's go ahead. First, you highlight the column. You're going to highlight it by, when you see this arrow pointing downwards, you click it and it highlights the column. So we're going to do right click, scroll down, you see hide, you click hide. You do the same over here into hide. Now, to unhide the column, you're just going to hover over the area that you have hidden that particular column. Once you see this particular arrow, there are two arrows that you see here, of which you see two double lines in this particular one. That's two vertically double lines in the arrow. Once you get to that, you double click and it opens. You double click again and it opens. Now, let's redo that and see how we can actually unhide more than one column at the same time. When you want to unhide more than one column at the same time, all you do is you go to this area at the corner of the screen, you click and it highlights the whole page. We just go there, you hover over the area that you want to unhide and you double click. Once you double click, everything that has been hidden would come out in the open. You do same for rows, just like we've done for columns. And that is it. Also, if you need to hide more than one column, all you do is highlight both columns and hide them. And just as we did before, to unhide, you double click and everything comes out. So, assuming you want to hide a worksheet, no more just column or rows, you just hover over that particular worksheet, you right click and you click hide. You right click and you click hide. Now, if you want to unhide these particular worksheets, what you do is right click on the one that is not hidden and you click unhide. Now it will bring up a pop-up displaying the number of worksheets that are actually hidden. You can either click highlight both of them or you just highlight one. Let's do this for both of them now and we click OK. Now we have all the worksheets available. And that's how you unhide columns, rows, or worksheets. Meet you in the next video.